Hi everyone, I'm here today to do an unboxing of a diesel heater I bought on eBay for 110 Aussie dollars, which is a bargain really. So let's see today what we've got in the box. And I've got my trusty assistant that will pop in occasionally and assist me unwrapping the box. Okay, from a separate vendor I purchased a heavy duty plate. I'm hoping it will make it a little bit easier to install in the van. It actually came from Tasmania, which is pretty awesome really. Very heavy, and I'm hoping to be able to just cut one hole in the van and pop that in. So we'll see how that goes anyway. So this is Riley, my trusty assistant to the right. I'll just give you a view, and she loves to help. Let's see if I can get her in the shot. There she is. Are you helping Riley? Okay, all right, back to the unboxing. And we'll get the view back onto the box. Excuse the DTI. Get a little bit of Riley too. Okay, so I've in the box today. We have the manual, the shop. The manual, which apparently is, yeah, we'll see how that goes. And there, and I printed out an installation manual from online, so I'm hoping that is a little bit better. In the box we have the 10 litre fuel, which I'm hoping I might be able to put it straight into the tank of the Sprinter, and not use this, not keen on fuel being in the car, in the cabin at all. Don't like the smell of fuel really. Okay, you're going to help me too. And this is the plate that actually came with it. It's very thin, but I'm hoping the other one was going to be awesome. And safety gloves for tinier hands. Let's see what, oh look, fits perfectly. Not sure. Lovely weight gloves. Michael Jackson would be happy. Right, into the nits and grits of the box. Right, to the right is probably got the control panel there, and remote control for the diesel meter. And this is the fuel pump. Not sure what ends what, but we'll work that out. There doesn't seem to be any arrows for direction on it, but we'll work that out. And of course, this is, oh, she's weighty, the heater itself. We'll put you to the right. Sorry for the noise. That's the heater. Quite heavy actually. I'm taking. Pretty awesome, huh? We have air cleaner or air filter, bolts and screws, some zippy ties, and clamping rings. Muppet. You're not even in the picture.
Oh, that's okay. Just do it and I'll come in.
Okay. Well, hello.
Hello.
You're home from work?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
am.
Okay.
What did you want me to do?
We've already done all that.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So we've got the hole saw that we bought.
Which has already got the hole put in it.
Already? Yeah, we've put the hole in the van already. So I'll show you the picture then. Or the
At a later time.
at
Yeah.
a later date. We've got the hoses for the vents.
One in and one out, is that right?
The vents. No, these are
Oh.
going
Oh,
like that.
okay.
Yeah, vents.
Yeah.
We've got the fuel pipe. We've got the exhaust. Fuel pipe.
Some sort of vent.
Yeah. And all the air filter, fuel filter, screws and cables. Oh, what's called cables. As I want to wrap it up.
What's this?
That's the exhaust pipe.
Oh, okay. So all the fumes go in.
Yeah, fumes. That goes into the
Fuel tank.
muffler.
Is that for the
Yeah,
fuel
that's
tank?
to go into a tank. Yeah.
I knew that. I knew that.
You knew that. Okay.
Is that all?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, we're finished.
Yeah.
We're
Finished.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Hi everyone. Here today I've got a small 2.5 litre diesel tank that I'm going to put a nozzle in to the base of it for the diesel heater. Not a lot of YouTube videos actually go to specific on how to get the right size drill bit and so forth. So I'm hoping, and I'm sure someone will correct me in my comments, that whether I'm doing it right or not, but this is the way I am going to attempt today. So I've got myself a little digital caliper, and I've got the base of the nozzle that I'm going to put in to the bottom of the tank. I've already put a little hole roughly where I'm going to put it, so fingers crossed. Wasn't that expensive anyway. I can always get another tank. So with my digital calipers, I'm going to turn them on, make sure I've zeroed them, and then from there I'm going to work out what size drill bit I'm going to use. So I'll make sure it's definitely zeroed off, and we'll measure it down. So I've got it secured, so on here and close it again, and roughly, I don't know if you can see it, but roughly it's showing a 7.53 or so measurement. So I'm going to use a 7mm drill bit, because you can always make it a little bit bigger, but never the other way around. So here we go. So I'm going to drill a hole in here like so. Oldie drill bits. Now the other little trick is, now let's see if it fits. Yeah, probably if I just clean out the spur parts, it might fit. It's a little bit tight, so the 7.5 drill bit is probably the right one. So I don't quite have a 7.5, so I might just see if that works. I'm going to actually make it an 8. Voila. So an 8. Perfectly. Would have been nice if it was another, if I had a 7.5 drill bit set, but I don't. So anyway, certainly it's in quite well. Okay, so the other little trick I'm going to use today is tie a little bit of string line, string, to my spare screw. And I'm just going to, I might have to get something a bit smaller than that. Pause there and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the right size screw that I can just pop into the tank. So I'll pop that through there into the tank and fish it out from the other side. And pops out like that. You can see it there. But to the string line. Thread it through there, so I might just give it a little trim off. Make sure it's got the O-ring at the bottom there, so it will go through the tank, and then put the little screw back on. There's my trusty assistant's not helping today. That out. And then through, and voila. That's through. And then we can put the washer and the nut over it. Or it pops straight into the... This is Griffin. Say hello, Griffin. Am I helping today, Griffin? Hey, am I helping today, Griffin? There we go. It's a handsome boy. Yeah. Anyway, back to the video. Without the head of a black cat. The washer all the way, the O-ring, sorry, all the way down. Nut over the top. Pull the string line out. Give her a little bit of a tighten up. Not careful not to over tighten. You don't want to blow out the O-ring washer. Cause a leak. Nice and tight. And that's it. Another thing I meant to say is just with all the drilling through the hole there, you've got a little bit of plastics that might be still in the tank, so it might pay to just make sure there's none of that left behind. And that is easy peasy diesel tank ready to go. I'll catch you on the next one.